Doon na tayo. So, for shopping, everything is in Hong Kong.
Yes.
And now you have a reason to go there because Joy will be there with
Yes.
you as forever. Joy will be home. And I'm just glad that it's in Hong Kong.
Okay. And you did mention that you are alongside these iconic.
Wow!
Yeah. Welcome you to the big family.
Thank you!
So sweet. Okay, let's take a photo. Okay, Kat, you may hold it. Where's the... Okay, here we go. Shall we move over here? Let's move over here to the center. Okay, maybe you can take it at the center. Okay, and smile. Here we go. And let's wax figure at the Curry Bernardo in 3, 2, 1. She is speechless.
Ayan.
Guys, wow, nakakakilala.
This is it. We waited so long for this, and later let's discuss how we came up with this look and everything. So this is it. This is my Catherine, everyone. This is her first stop, and then she'll fly to Hong Kong right after this.
Yes, I love it.
Enjoy na.
You guys are basically the first to see it here,
Yes.
diba? And I believe this is the only full day that she is gonna be here with us dito sa Pilipinas. So until more hours. And then she will be shipped to Hong Kong and she will be there this July. Goosebumps, right? So thank you once again to everybody for sharing. So exciting, right? So again, to everybody posting, please use our hashtag #CathleenShines and MTHK and tag us at the Jam Tucson, Hong Kong. How about a wave daw ka sa video? Let's wave. There we go. Sige mo na lahat ng poses ka. Ano pa ba? Yan ang papatiping daw niya. Okay. Cute. So cute. Half twin.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.